Welcome to today's tutorial. In this session, we'll explore a JavaScript program that checks if all elements in a collection satisfy a given condition. We'll use the Array.prototype.every method to evaluate whether every element in the array meets the specified criteria. This approach is efficient and allows flexibility by accepting custom functions or a default check for truthy values. Let's dive in and see how it works. The task is simple. We need to determine if all elements in an array satisfy a given condition. If no condition is provided, the program defaults to checking if all elements are truthy. For example, given the array 4, 2, 3, if the condition x is greater than 1, the result is true because all elements are greater than 1. This logic is highly versatile and can be applied to arrays of numbers, strings, or even objects. Here's the implementation of our solution. The function all takes two arguments, an array and an optional predicate function. If no predicate is provided, it defaults to Boolean, meaning it will check if all elements are truthy. The Array.prototype.every method is used to test each element against the predicate. This concise implementation ensures flexibility while maintaining readability. Let's break down the process. First, we validate the input, ensuring an array is provided. If no predicate function is specified, we default to checking if all elements are truthy. We iterate through the array using the every method, which stops as soon as an element fails the condition. Finally, the function returns true or false based on the evaluation. This approach is efficient because it short circuits as soon as the condition is not met. Here are some examples. For 4, 2, and 3, with the predicate x is greater than 1, all elements satisfy the condition, so the output is true. For 4, 2, 3, with the predicate x is less than 1, none of the elements satisfy the condition, so the output is false. For 1, 2, and 3, with the default predicate Boolean, all elements are truthy, resulting in true. These examples demonstrate the versatility of the solution. This program has numerous practical applications. Data validation. We use it to check if all entries in a dataset meet specific criteria, such as age is greater than 18. Filtering arrays. We verify conditions on array elements, like ensuring all products have a price is greater than 0. Logic simplification. We replace complex loops or manual checks with this functional approach. It is a powerful tool for simplifying array evaluations in JavaScript. In summary, we've learned how to use the every method to evaluate if all elements in an array satisfy a given condition. The function defaults to checking truthy values, but can be customized with a predicate function. This solution is concise, efficient, and highly versatile for a variety of use cases. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.